you were to wear some type of Jfashion to a convention, odds are people will think that you are cosplaying someone.
When I'm not cosplaying, I look like this. Harajuku fashion has saved me because even my 11-year-old brother has better fashion taste than me.
People who do Lolita fashion or people who wear those very extreme and less casual outfits, often people experience people asking them, oh, what character are you cosplaying? Even though it's just a fashion choice and not necessarily a character in particular. But first, I just want to flex something, okay? I am really happy. I've been waiting for this sweater for like forever because I didn't think I was gonna get it, but I got it as a gift, and it's a Menhera Chan Gloomy Bear collab. Look, it's so pretty, it's so cute, I love it. And for those of you who do not know, Menhera Chan is a yami kawaii icon. If you do not know what the subculture of yami kawaii is, it's basically sick cute, and a lot of people who struggle with mental illness tend to gravitate towards that type of fashion sense. Gloomy Bear, I got a hat for it, but I'm going to take it off because it's really sweaty and hot. It's a lot for me, very overstimulating. I also have this really cool cinema roll belt. I really want to get into like coquette Hello Kitty Sanrio outfits and looks, and I have so many different subgenres and different fashion cultures that I'm really interested in. Today I'm going to explore some of those in this video. Anime characters that I love that wear some sort of J-fashion subculture. If you really want to wear Lolita fashion or J-fashion in general in public or to conventions and you're tired of people asking what character you're cosplaying, this time you will be cosplaying one of those characters. So it'll avoid the awkwardness if you are socially awkward like I am. A lot of the things that I give examples for are gonna be things that are more budget friendly or things that are more for beginners because I'm a bit of a beginner myself. First up from the list is obviously Menhera Chan. If you want inspiration for a cosplay idea from one of my favorite creators, I could use it as an example, is Adi Harajuku, who did a Menhera Chan cosplay themselves. I haven't personally, but I definitely would see myself doing that in the near future. I love yami kawaii fashion. It's definitely something I'll consider. It's very casual, it's not very heavy, so it's something that you'd probably want to wear during the summertime, and it's definitely something that I would recommend because it's simple, it's budget friendly, so you can make it yourself, or I'm not sure if you can buy it. I think there might be some sites. I know that the shirt, the top, is very consistent with a lot of Astolfo Femboy cosplays, so you might be able to find it out there. Next up, which is something that I definitely feel like I've mentioned multiple times in different videos, is Marin, the character Marin from My Dress Up Darling. She wears a specific cosplay of a character from one of her favorite eroges, I know, of this character who wears a Lolita, gothic Lolita dress. So if you're someone who really likes gothic Lolita, just buy a purple wig and then tell people that you're cosplaying Marin instead of having to explain to them that gothic Lolita is a sub-fashion, it's not a character. So you can just cosplay Marin. Most of you probably who cosplay gothic Lolita will already have some sort of black dress or something like that. And even if it's not affordable to your budget to actually get like a gothic Lolita dress or to make a gothic Lolita dress, you can normally do like a corset or like with a black skirt under it and have the purple hair, and that will match the aesthetic that you're going for. It won't be completely really Lolita, but you'll cosplay a character with a gothic Lolita style. If that's you like the style but you don't have the money for the style, you can just invest into that in the future. I don't know how many of you out there have watched Agretsuko, but there's this one character, Shikabane. Most people don't really realize she's wearing a very casual form of Jirai Kei, a subculture of J-fashion. I really think that for a character like Shikabane from Agretsuko, the purple skunk character, it's a lot more casual, budget friendly, and you don't have to go too specific on certain things, and I think it'd be a very easy character to cosplay. Another character that you could also cosplay that does Jirai Kei is from Needy Streamer Overload. Ame wears Jirai Kei. You've probably heard of Needy Streamer Overload before. I don't really need to tell you a lot about it. If you haven't, it's a really good game. I definitely recommend looking into it. It also talks a lot about mental health issues and stuff like that. Something that I notice is a very consistent theme with a lot of fashion subcultures is that they deal with a lot of people who are a little mentally ill. But it is okay. That just means it's a welcoming community. This character is obviously probably going to be the more obvious that most people are going to know, which is Celestia, or Celeste, I believe, from Danganronpa, with the curly locks, the dark outfit. That is something that's going to be a bit harder to cosplay because of the wig, especially because of the wig. But if you're willing to put the effort into it, and if you really love Danganronpa, I know that it has a very huge fan base. It's definitely something that you could do if that's something that you really want to invest your time into. I know that I've been giving a lot of feminine, more girly cosplays, but if you're someone who doesn't feel comfortable cosplaying a female character, I do have a character who is feminine, but is technically also not a female character, because Hideki from Blend S, mine and many other people's most lovable femboy, does have a fashion sense that falls under Harajuku fashion, Jfashion, and they have multiple outfits because they're an idol, and that's definitely something that you might want to do. It's something where you have a lot more options, and it's for people who feel more comfortable cosplaying a more masculine character, if that feels more validating to you. It's an option. If you want more ideas on different beginner cosplays or different cosplay ideas that you could possibly try out, or if you're in kind of like an artistic rut, I have multiple videos on this, and I will be making more videos on this topic to help my fellow cosplayers out. And for those who want more budget-friendly options, I definitely will try to make that in the future. But thank you for watching. If you are a cosplayer, you like anime, you like Jfashion, you have a lot of free time, please subscribe and watch all my videos, because if you think I'm cool, you're also cool. We can be friends. I am creating a parasocial relationship with you right now. Subscribe. Please. I need money.